Clearing the cache in Microsoft Teams can help resolve issues like slow performance, loading errors, or problems with outdated data. Here's how you can clear the cache in Microsoft Teams on Windows. For this, close your MS Teams and then press Windows plus R to open Run dialog box. There type %appdata% and click on OK button. Then navigate inside Microsoft folder. Next, navigate to Teams folder. From this, delete all the content, except desktop config JSON file. This steps will clear MS Teams cache. After this, just reopen Microsoft Teams. It will automatically rebuild the necessary cache files and your issue regarding MS Teams cache will be resolved. You can see necessary files will rebuild and generate again. Hope you like this. Please like, share and subscribe for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.